Treluxia Review 2025 Legit Store or Bar Caution. Honest breakdown. Most people get this wrong by assuming that all online stores with flashy designs are trustworthy. The surprising truth is that Treluxia has both pros and cons that every shopper should know before buying. First, Treluxia offers a wide selection of home decor and fashion items at competitive prices. You'll find trendy clothing, accessories, and decorative pieces that are appealing for modern aesthetics. Many customers praise the quality of materials, especially for home decor items that feel sturdy and well made. You won't believe how stylish some of these budget-friendly products can look once delivered. However, there are some red flags. Shipping times can be longer than advertised, sometimes taking weeks, and return policies are limited or complicated. Customer support exists, but may take time to respond, which can be frustrating if you need urgent assistance. The surprising truth is that even legitimate stores can have operational hiccups that impact the buying experience. When considering Treluxia, it's wise to read product reviews carefully. Photos from previous buyers can provide insight into real quality, sizing, and material feel. Be cautious with large or expensive orders until you're confident in their reliability. In conclusion, Treluxia is generally a legitimate store with attractive products, but bar caution is essential. Focus on smaller purchases first, read reviews, and set realistic expectations regarding shipping and support. With the right approach, you can enjoy trendy, affordable items without major surprises.